another preamble. Express the given vector in a bearing form. B equals negative root 3I plus J.
2,120 degrees.
No.
So person we know full point for this question. We here answer menu. Ebe magnitude and bearing. What person will calculate for vector ne tientia and non your friend magnitude no. Formula will be using square root x squared plus y squared. X no ejina homa I into coefficient of I. Our question no minus root 3. Into baby abehu x magnitude formula biano the minus root 3 and a special. Y ejina homa j. Coefficient of j no positive 1. Into baby abehu y biano or the 1 and a special. Into magnitude of b is equal to square root of minus root 3 squared plus 1 squared. Minus root 3 squared, it said the worker said minus root 3 times minus root 3, which will give you positive root 9 plus 1. Square root of 9 3. So we have square root of 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 4. Into we have square root of 4. Therefore, the magnitude of b is 2 because square root of 4 is 2. Vector 19 2. The second component what answer ni ebe a hina vector no walk na ni kire hen. That's the bearing. The kire j no esaso gina homa south and north. Se j no positive o kosoro o ko north. Se j no negative o ko from o ko south. I ejina homa east and west. Se I no negative o ko wonsa bonkum so o ko west. Se I no positive o ko wonsa nifa so o ko east. I no negative. Enti I negative o ko west. J no positive o ko north. Enti vector we no wanam northwest direction. The tintim no 2. That's the magnitude, okay? Bearing no the theta no ebe share in respect to the vertical axis. Vertical axis no north. Timi the theta no be share horizontal axis no and x axis no my sign root 3. Vertical value no and I say j value near 1. Obi bisa say na minus sign mo me da so bisa. Minus sign and I say plus sign no is only there for direction. And here na vector na nichire. Na nichire west and east, north and south. So base yen calculate for the value for the theta, the value for the angle na negative any positive ehun here is into your will be absolute value. Absolute value no say negative root 3 ebe positive root 3. Say a positive root 3 absolute value ebe positive root 3. Into a buffer calculating for theta we only use absolute values. And until na meji negative net free root 3 no. So what does it? So kai so katwa. Ya mau two values, ya mau x component and y component. Into the ebe use no twa. Twa no ejina homa opposite over adjacent. So be ejina no hwe say ya eno ye opposite. Into hwe theta na opposite of theta na root 3. Jebetwe root 3 divided by adjacent. Theta ni nchemu no 1. Into adjacent value ni 1. Root 3 divided by 1 and 1 root 3. But still na you know the value for theta. Essentially you need calculator you use National Science and Math quiz and I say be open 10 times what. Person will be time. If it will be special right angle triangle. Right angle triangle net that has saying you 60 degrees, 30 degrees, and 90 degrees. The tintimuno another hypotenuse no 2. The vertical axis on the right angle triangle, the value is 1. We also have the vertical value to be 1. Horizontal value to be root 3. The same thing for the right angle triangle. This tells me that this right angle triangle can help you to get the value for theta. Tan 60 ebe opposite over adjacent. Opposite ebe root 3 divided by 1, which will give you root 3. From the Cartesian plane, you say tan theta is equal to root 3. From the right angle triangle, you say tan 60 is equal to root 3. Therefore, theta is equal to say 60 degrees. And theta is 60 degrees. But shall bearings, you measure bearings, you start clockwise direction from the north. And I was a measure from north now clockwise. ABC vector line. And any here. Circle biano, angle for a circle biano is 360 degrees. And you say small part is 60 degrees. Into 360 minus 60, which is 300. And they say we start to free her if the vector line now 300 degrees. And the answer for this question is 2,300 degrees. I shall say vector no ne tenten ye be 2 units. Na ni kire hefa, na ni kire northwest 300 degrees clockwise direction from the north. So what I say? Awesome. Into fatu trim when baba fatu trim e be boaw a save you time e wo national science and math quiz and I say wo year exams now open tema e betima boaw amwo the value for theta. It is what share be every video emu a but modern so be like it or share or subscribe. The be asema meta can say practice makes permanent. And my mass in now. And a mass cook I can see an so in now. Na practice it. In a mujide now beating me. My video be may check tricks with my bow. I'm more solve mass and 10 times so. Or either your exams or national science and math quiz. Aha. KokoChem Education YouTube channel. Yes, I be this movie.
Think, learn.